Hello everybody, here we are again after so long time. Of course, that's been like I should have gone. I should have gone live. What am I saying? I should have gone live by 7 in the morning. But okay, it took a lot of time. I've been busy doing some stuff, and then some guests even have been at my home for some time. So because of all these things, it took time. So okay, that doesn't really matter. Here we are back, and as you can see the title, this time we are gonna be ending this. Uh, we are gonna be ending means we are gonna complete the project that we were working on. So let's simply turn the Chrome, open Chrome, and let me open Notion over here. Let's open VS Code too, and let me check whether we are live and everything's up and running or not. If there's something wrong, then we'll be taking care of that too. Having said that, I don't know how long it's gonna take. It may take minimum 3 hours, 4 hours, or maybe 5 hours. Okay, it depends. So this live is on and it will keep going on until the project actually gets done. So this is kind of a challenge you can consider that we have, and the good thing could be that I would be speaking in this live. Yeah, I'm gonna be working on the things and I have the energy to speak, so I'll be speaking. So let's see how it goes. Alrighty, seems like I'm not getting proper data, whatever. Let's see. There are mosquitoes, dead mosquitoes around me. Crazy. Okay. Let's simply click on go live. No need to worry about anything. This is gonna be a great live, no doubt. The great live in the sense I will actually be getting the things done. That's the best thing, right? What else do we need? I hope I'm getting 5-minute work. What about the speed of the internet? Speed test.net. Let's see. Okay, isn't the water good? It should be. One more thing, I may take some break for 5 to 10 minutes in between, because I don't even know how long the project, how much time it's gonna take. So it's better to take the gaps in between. The live will be on, by the way. The maximum break timing could be like 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. So it's not gonna be much. So, but I do need to take that in between. Oh, this is insane. For getting rid of this problem, I may have to just simply turn on the airplane mode once and then turn it off, something like that again and again for a while. But let me check if the speed is around more than 30 Mbps, then oh, it is more than I should ask for. Never mind. So right now we can just simply go ahead. What the hell? You got to be kidding me. Okay, here we are. By the way, it seems to be running. Let's open VS Code. I think that's already on. Yeah, here we are. Okay. Good luck. Saying good luck to myself. Wow. Let's open that. Quite easy peasy. We can do it, can't we? To do it. Okay, this was the message that I mentioned at the end. Alright, everybody, for now. This is not the message for now, of course, so let me remove it. Okay, so here we are, and what else? We were working on this particular thing. This is the main thing. BG gray, text to height, minimum height, screen width, screen box border. That's great, interesting things. And then here we are, and amazing. justify end, justify start, justify center. We were messing up with this thing yesterday. Let's open Tailwind, because of course we are using this for designing our application. UI is really important, so we gotta take care of that thing too. Let me check, am I audible or not? Am I audible? Come on, yeah, mosquitoes, go away. It is okay, it's working now. Let's keep it here. cd front end npm run dev. I hope everything's working. We have to go to sign up page. Let's open this thing in here too. Localhost. This is the thing that we have. This is the background color is going to be. And now we can just simply open sign up page, because we are designing that one only right now. So this is the sign up page, and this was the problem that we were facing. That's all right. Now sign up page. Busy if I don't really need it right now. Width is going to be screen. Interesting. Let's remove it too. It's automatically gonna be full. Even if I just bg white, I think it should be full. Yeah, it is actually. That's okay. Don't really need to worry about anything right now. What the thing is that I want to send it at the end. Okay. Justify start, justify end, then it should go to the end. That's okay, but what about this one? Yesterday we really struggled with this problem a lot, really a lot. Let's see whether we can solve this problem right now or not. Okay, flex column seems to be okay. One more thing, let's try this thing, MT3. The result is crazy. Okay, what if it is border box? No. And one more thing, once this project is done, our next goal is going to be exploring this Tailwind classes properly. Okay, I find myself struggling with this. That's not good. Padding top, it's gonna be like, let's keep it 3 for now. Okay, padding top is gonna be like this. Is that really necessary? Padding top. Let's give it later. We'll check this thing out properly too. Okay, class name flex, and this thing could be justify, and this thing could be width full. Any problem? No problem. Can I give it BG just to recognize BG orange? I like orange. 600. Interesting. Justify end. Why is this not working? Just okay. Wait. If I'm just making it this justify end, this should go at the end. Yeah. Justify center. Justify center. Well, guess what? It's not working as expected the way I wanted it to work. Sign up page, it's something like this. It's at the beginning. This particular button is at the beginning, dark mode. and I had to send it at the end. This is the button. Okay, the width is full already, and I'm making it flex. Okay, I'm not getting it. Why it is not working? What if I make it div? Whether you make a div or button, who cares? What difference does it make? Okay, there are something like this. This thing is here, this thing is here, this thing has beautiful, that I'm getting, that I'm making it flex. I hope I'm not wrong in here. Flex, 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 man. Display flex. In here, let's click on flex, flex item center, items, and oh, really? No way. It cannot be like that. Items baseline. Guess what? If I just keep facing the problems like this, and if I just keep going through the things like this, then it's gonna take a lot of time. That means I'm doomed. But okay, now I'm here. I'll get this project done anyhow. Justify center. Why is this not working? This one is flex. This could be flex. Justify center. Item center. Height 50. Okay. Width 92. It's automatically going to be full, then it should be justified. Its height is like that. What if I make it the height of this is like that? Item center. Items end. But nothing seems to be working. Come on. Flex is here. Flex box and grid. These things I have. Justify content. Justify items. We do have justify items. There should be align content, align items for top to bottom. It is like justify content end, justify between, justify around. There should be justify end, flex end, something like this. And what about the items? Justify items mainly for the items, and when it comes to content, so it is it moves the whole content. What are we trying to achieve over here? This is something that we have, and I just gonna make it justify and justify. I really struggle with this a lot. Height is this much. Even if I keep the height like height vh by 2. Height viewport height. What does it make? Height screen. Okay, height screen is this. What if I give it some width? It's gonna be suppose 10. Height is gonna be suppose 10. Doesn't really matter. It's there. Now if I click on justify, item center, it's not even coming to the center. That means it's not working at all. Most of the properties are right. Then why? I'm missing something. Something is being missed for sure. And I don't know what. Normal properties are working. This thing is not working. If I rerun it, still not working. Mainly flex is not working. Let's do one thing. Enough of everything. Hello world, how are you? Class name BG gray 700 height screen height screen. Okay, text white, text 2XL, flex. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let me fix this. It should be on the top, like in here with this. Gosh, how can I make such a silly mistake over and over? That means I've been struggling with this since yesterday. Wow. Let's remove it. Guess what? The problem has been solved. I'm gonna simply go ahead and let's make it flex, let's make it justify, and everything was right. Just one silly mistake. I wasn't using the properties on the parent parent HTML element. Rather, I was using it on the child element, and that does not work the way I was expecting it to work. By the way, this is right. Now, oh, holy shoot, yaar! How can I make such a mistake? I have px is equal to 2. Let's make it 3. It's gonna be like this only. Py is equal to 5. Too bad. 4, 2. Interesting. Rounded. Just look. I'm not gonna focus on design a lot. It should look good. It should work well. That's it. When it's active, it should be busy. Gray 600. Looks good. I will be copying the same things. Button. I can make a button component. Yeah, that's true. You can. So I will, if I can. Let's keep going. We'll figure this thing out too. But another thing is cursor pointer. Okay, just this. Okay, this is working. Looks good, not bad actually. The button is gonna be like this. So let's go to components and make a button.tsx rafce button. Most of the buttons are gonna be like these. In here, button is gonna be there, and button. We will be getting the children inside the button, and we will be showing the children in here. Don't mind as things are okay. The type of these children is gonna be children, 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 React node. Interesting. I'm good at it. Cling, sorry, cling. This should be a button, class name, and then I need the classes. Of course, I will get them from you. I will show you the result, how the result's gonna be, don't worry. It's gonna be like trial and error type things. I will try, I will get the errors, I will make them, I will fix them, and this is how we'll be going ahead. Children, we've got the children, button is here, React, don't really need it. React node, of course we need it. This is how we are gonna be going ahead. BG gray, I can give it color and all. Okay. Let's have different types of buttons. Okay. So I will get the children, I will get the props. Inside the props, I will get other things. Props, children. Okay. Let's go with this thing right now. I can add more functionalities to it later on. I can just simply focus on the fundamental things right now, right? If you go into the depth of design, then there's a lot actually. I don't want to do that. Our main focus is gonna be seeing functionality. The website should look good, it should work well, it should be overall above average. That's simple. Okay, let me show you the result right now. So this is how the results look like. So this is a dark button that we have created. Like if we click on it, there should be light mode. Again, if we click on it, there should be dark mode, something like this. So by clicking on it, even this text is gonna change. Later we can add some kinds of icons that could also be possible, but for now this should be enough. So this time I just need a button component, and that it's gonna be like this, and I will write here sign up. And this time, what is the good thing? I am not having to add extra design, because that design is being added over here, and if I just see the result, it's still gonna be look same. Amazing. Apart from this particular thing, let's simply go ahead. Here we have this H1. I can give it some design too. H1, this is the sign up thing. First of all, this thing should go in the middle of the screen. So let's make it flex. Let's make it justify center. It should be in the center. Am I getting it in the center? Of course we are getting it in the center. And other things, it should be display flex column. Okay, got that. And now I don't need this. So what do I need? I need item center. Okay, it's in the center. And these two things are here. I can give it space Y, and that's gonna be like 5, 4, 5. It is okay. As I already said, our main focus is not design, but I will definitely make it better. Text 5XL, font bold. It's good. I like this. I will show you the result, by the way. If you wanna look at the result, so this is how it looks right now. Not bad. Let's make it 10. Can make it 20. Okay, what about this one? Class name flex. Okay, flex is really useful in here. We will be using grid when we are showing the to-dos and all. Okay, then flex column again. Okay, not bad actually for now at least. Gap y, I can use space by 2, but gap y is gonna be 5 around. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. BG gray, as we are using that. What color did we use in buttons? That was 500. Should we use 500 again over here too? Not really, not really, not really. Main color is just, what is the main color? 800. Can I make it 900 for now? How does it look? It doesn't look bad actually. And then I can give it 800 color. Too bad. 700. 700 looks better. What about extra things? Rounded LG, padding, suppose 10. Too bad. 5 seems to be okay. And that's it. Width, I can give it some width. For now, if you just have a look at this, it looks like this. Really, really, really bad. It doesn't look good at all, I know that. Sign up. Am I getting sign up in here? There should be dark button. Dark mode. Something like this. So this thing is done. We are getting sign up in there. I can give it a more space, like 44. Wow, was good. Not bad. Let's make it a little better, yeah. It doesn't look that good. Class name, text, BG, white, text, black, text, gray, 800. Okay. Padding y gonna be 3, padding x gonna be 4, rounded LG, I'm gonna be going to LG rounded and then see. This is okay. Text can be extra large, not bad. Width is gonna be full, and width of this one is gonna be suppose 92. Not bad, not bad. Can be bad. Is it bad or not? Is this good, bad, what? Instead of keeping it on the top, I can just keep it in here only. Yeah. So let's remove this thing from here, and I can make it justify center 2. Should it work? It should work for sure. Height full. Really? Height screen. Really bad. What should be the height of it now? What is the height of this? And then the height of this. It's time to calculate the things. Okay. I need to calculate the things. We are working on the sign up page. We have this button over there, and then it should have some width, height. Height of this is gonna be suppose 10 VH. This is how we write, right? If I make it 100 VH. This is not working. Okay, not bad. 10 VH. It's too bad. Okay, so instead of making it 10 VH, I can make it 5 VH. 5 VH. This is working. 5 VH. And this can be 95 VH. So height 95 VH. Viewport height. Okay, 95 VH. Let me give it color too. BG blue 700 just for checking purpose. It looks like this. Okay, and BG violet 700. So the top is here, the bottom. What extra thing do we have? We have top padding. Let's remove it. Is this okay? Yeah. And if you wanna have a look at the result, this is how the result looks like. Really bad, but never mind. Let's remove the colors from here. Designing part gonna take time. I know it's gonna take time. I have even said the challenge that this time I'm gonna complete the project. Is it like a piece of cake? It will take time, but it is a piece of cake for sure. Okay, I can give it a padding top, just this one. One thing, it's still bugging me, that if I just give it margin top, anything margin top, suppose 5, why is it not working as expected? I can give it margin top. I'm getting things like this. Margin top, and that I'm not giving. I can give it padding top is equal to suppose 5, padding top 5. Wow. Let's do it something like this. The height should be okay. Let's give this thing padding top is equal to 5. Now it's working. You are giving it padding top 5. As for the width, let's keep it height, let's keep it 10, and let's keep it 90. So it's gonna be okay. As for the width of this one, class name, come on, class name, got that, cannot do that. Let's go to button. I'm gonna give it height over here too, so height is gonna be minimum. Interesting. So it looks like that. Sign up button is here. This inputs are getting repeated again and again, and whatever thing is getting repeated, I need to create something for that. Okay, so another component that I need to create, that is input .tsxrace, something like that, and I'm gonna return an input from here. Interesting. This is the input. Let's copy it from here. Let's return it from here. Looks pretty well. And what else? I'm gonna think of the things. Let's remove all these things from here. Let's import input, and oh, 1 2 3 inputs are gonna be looking like this. Interesting. Then button we already have, so instead of using this button, I will be using like button this one that we already have, and then we will be using sign up in here. This particular thing would be looks pretty much interesting. The button's width I'm not deciding, but the height is definitely minimum, as much as should I can increase the text size. But before that, button is here. Okay, sign up page is here. Flex is here, but I'm not giving any gap, so is gap y is gonna be 10. Interesting. Not bad, not bad. If it cannot be the best, it can never be the worst. I wanna increase the height. It's gonna be 500 pixel. Let's keep it 400 pixel. Result is here. Not the best, but not the worst. Okay, I know things can be improved really a lot, but our main focus is not that. It should function well, it should look well, that's it. And text extra large, that's good. What about the button? The text of buttons should be, the text of the buttons should be, where is the text? There is no text. Can I add one? Text extra large. This is too much, so let's keep it just large. Can I keep it bold? Text bold. Sorry. Font bold. Not bad. It's really bad. So, as a result, we have something like this. Outline. You should have like input outline none. I will use maybe an extension to just format the classes, but at the end later on. So this thing is here. Few more things that we need to change. This is the sign up page. These are the inputs. What? First of all, placeholder. Enter username. These are the props that I'm sending actually. Enter username, enter email, and enter password. This thing is done. Placeholder is not assignable to this long thing, long error. Okay, I will fix it. This thing is done. Anything else? Let's get the type. Oh, type. Really? Let's see. Do we have type in here? Yeah, we do have. Type text. The second one should be email. The third one can be password. Okay. What else? Nothing else for now, at least. Things should work fine. Let's go to this input section. What all we are getting? We are getting props. What are the props? The props are type. The props are placeholder. Okay, and the type of it is going to be string. I can make it better. I am telling you. Placeholder is also going to be string. Placeholder. What? Oh, really? All destructive elements are unused. Okay, defined unused. Okay, unused. Type. Sorry. Type is equal to type. Placeholder is equal to placeholder that we are getting, and here we are. Okay, interesting. So this is how it looks like. This is the sign up page. I can enter username, email, password, and then I can simply click on sign up. Oh, it looks better. It's quite quick. I can add animation. Where is the button? This is the button. Transition and delay 100. Is that good? There should not be the delay, there should be the duration. 100 millisecond ultimately. Duration. Duration. Not really. Shun. Okay. I can enter the value. I can just sign up it, and then everything's gonna be okay. And this is the form, so I can make it like that only. Like how? Like this. I can make it a form. Okay. I can give this button a type. type can be submit. By the way, and once I've given it, I need to go to button. Here we are inside the button. We will be getting children. We will be getting type. Once we have the type, we need to give the type. Type is going to be string. And once we have the type, we can give the type. Type is gonna be equals to type. Is it wrong? The string is not assignable to type submit reset button undefined array. It could be submit, it could be reset, it could be button, it could be undefined. Okay. Interface button type is equal to something like this. Now try this. Button type is equal to, it could be either submit, or it could be reset, or it could be button, or it could be undefined. What am I doing? Thanks to this TypeScript. TypeScript is really useful. It clears our mind like, okay, this is this. I'm still thinking of the challenge like, this is the challenge where I have to complete the project, the whole project. Sometimes I actually take crazy challenges and then I have to struggle. But as the challenge is taken, I have to complete it. So right now it looks something like this. Pretty much easy peasy. We can simply create the login page now directly. Creating the login page. Sign up, login. This is the auth. These are the two pages. This is going to be the home page. In all these pages, I will have a sign up button, which means I can make it a layout. This is the basic. What can I name it? Layout. Let's make it basic layout. What is the name? Layout. To-dos and profile. Can I name it basic layout? Okay. Hang on. Let's go to app. The name hasn't changed yet. Basic layout. Rehat. Control D. Not Control D. Let's make it basic layout. There should be good name. Basic layout. Even I'm gonna give this thing layout. Auth layout. Yeah, one more layout I need. Route. Let's make the things like this. I don't know what I'm doing. It will have auth layout or something like this. Why do we need to do it? Let's see. Auth layout. I need to create one more layout. Basic layout. And then why am I creating it? You will come to know very soon. Auth layout.tsx RAFCE, something like this. Auth layout. Because this, once this auth layout is created, I will have to design everything. Again, something like this. Do not blame me for this. Hello, hello, hello. Where is your layout? Hello, hello, hello. One more div I need. Ting, 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 ting. Arey na re baba. What am I doing? Something like this. Button is here. Let's import it. I have to give type. Type is gonna be button. Happy go lucky. And once I have this thing, I will get the outlet from React router, and this outlet will be used here. Okay. Type submit. What's your problem? Submit is not assignable to type button type. Is that so? It should be submit. Okay. Thing seems to be okay. Okay, auth layout is here. I have to import it. This thing is done. Why did I do it? Because now this auth layout simply contains the dark mode automatically. This button of dark mode, it contains automatically, and this outlet section will be replaced by the login form, login page, home page, and because I will be adding the home page over here too. Excuse me for that, but okay, quite good for now at least. Now I won't have to write a lot of code. And the sign up page, it will include all those things in here, and then it will be like this. And I think the result still looks similar. We haven't changed a lot, just a little bit, but result is quite good. It's promising. The distance is quite okay too, not bad actually. I can get one more button in here, and that will be like home button. Interesting. Okay. And guess what? Right now I have to go for how many minutes? I'm just gonna come within 5 minutes or something. I will come within 5 minutes. Let me just take a break. There's something important, and then I'll be back. So I'll be playing music in the background, no doubt. It's gonna be for 5 minutes. Excuse me guys for 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Until then, listen to me. Alright, by the way, here we are back again. The data that I'm getting, okay, the speed is crazy. It should not be like that, but okay, never mind. I hope everything's gonna be fine, but here we are, working again on the same project. I just got some water and just to freshen up a little bit. Okay, here we are now. So what were we doing? We were here. This much was already done. Dark mode is here. I was just thinking of adding a home button over here. Let's do that too. So this button is in here. Is here. Another button that I will have. Another button that will be like home, something like this, and then it will have type, just a button type, and that's it. Then end. It's actually gonna be like this. This is not what I wanted. I want it on the left side. The home button should be on the left side. So let's do justify between. It should work. Wow. So this is the home button that we have. This is the dark mode button. Okay, kind of good, not bad for now at least. And I want a simple kind of line under that. Line under that. Wow. That means border. I want a border. So border bottom is gonna be suppose 1, 2. This border is crazy. Okay, that means I need to remove this thing from here, not this thing. Then what? The auth layout is here. Then I'm getting this margin. I don't need this margin. This should be like that. And okay, if I give this thing some margin, px3, okay, it's working. So it should be fine right now. Come on, my glasses, where are they going? So it's something like this. As for this line, I will change the color of it. Just a sec. Justify flex items can be center. Items are the center. Padding 5. Let's remove this for now. It's better. Color of the border. What if I just simply make it border? Border all. Border bottom 1. Okay. Border gray. Suppose 200. Let's make it 700. If this is 8 VH, then this particular section should be 92 VH. So the sign up is that we have the height of it should be 92. Even if it is 90, that doesn't really matter. If I make it 90, who cares? It rather looks good. The result is like this. Even if I can make it smaller, so it can be like 85. How about this? Wow. Just a little shadow. One more thing, yaar. I'm using this dark mode button here. That means I need to keep this thing in mind, like how the dark mode changes. Aha. Custom variant dark, where dark toggling dark mode manually dark enter in here class में. Okay. Data theme dark theme. I have never used TypeScript for theming purpose, and today I'm using that. Wow. with the system theme support. Okay, you can use this system's theme support. Ultimately we have some content available here that can help us. For now let's simply go with dark mode. Later we will be working on the like light mode as well. For dark mode this much thing is quite enough. Okay, let's make the size a little smaller too. It could be around 80. How about this? Pretty good. Can give it some shadow. Shadow class. Tailwind CSS shadow. Box shadow effect. Why is it taking so much time here? Okay. In here I have different types of shadows. I wanna choose maybe this color. These are shadows that I have. Okay, which one? Oh come on, let me apply it on my own. Forget about the things given there. Basic layout, auth layout is here. I just want some shadow, some shadow. Shadow bottom, shadow. Okay, medium. Let's do one thing before I actually apply it. Search shadow over here. Shadow. I hope it's gonna make it quick. Okay, here we are. I hope right now I won't have to face the same problem again and again, and I think it will be fixed forever. Let's go ahead. Subjects. Home page. How should this thing look like? So let's make it in here. A simple rectangle. Okay. Haha. I just need a line. The line is gonna be here. Few things that I need to copy. Control D. From here, it will be kept here. This is the home button that we have, and the dark mode button. Even this thing is gonna be like that. Wow. Okay, this thing is here, this dark button. Control D. Dark mode. It should be like this. So these two things are done, and let's design the home page. Even this is the home button that we have designed. The same thing is gonna be here too, and there's actually gonna be a line from here to there. The same thing is gonna happen in here from here to there. Oh, talking about this particular thing, the home page, first of all it's a bit long. It should be this much. Let's make it smaller. Done. Okay, never mind. The best platform to keep your to-dos on track, tasks on track. This is something that we will be getting controlling. Sorry, restore it. I'm kidding. Shit. Seriously. I just did it by mistake. Can't you see that? I cannot recover this thing. Isn't this insane? I can export it in the form of a PNG. Image quality. Let's export this thing. I'm gone here. Let's work on this thing in here. That was my bad actually. I just clicked on the shortcuts, and because of that thing the file got deleted. Now we are going to get the same thing but in an image form, and the quality may not be that good. That's also a thing to just worry about. I'm actually hungry right now. I should not be, but I am. I have an apple. I can have that if I feel like. I'm gonna be turning the camera off for now. I'll be just having this apple working on the project, and then I'll turn it on when I'm done. Let's go ahead. Generating diagram. This can take a few minutes. Do not leave the page. Okay. This is a new thing that we have. I'm going to play the music in the background for now. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
shadows till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. shadows till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes
We had a challenge that we would complete this project, and this thing will anyhow be done. The thing is that I've got something important task to get that done, so I'll have to get that task done once, and then I can continue this thing. Crazy. I'll have to stop it right here. I think it's gonna take around half an hour or something. After that I'll be back again. So it's gonna be kind of a break that I'm taking in between. And once after I'm back from there, so I will continue this project, and then we will no doubt gonna give our best to get this project completed today itself. So the challenge is the challenge. I will do my best. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Right now I'm just simply working on the design part. Then I have to get both the things connected. I even have to use recoil, okay, for of course data management on the front end and all. So not only data, there are other things too. So we have to take care of many things. Right now it's time to just end it, at least for now, and then I'll continue it from here on. Just after half an hour I'll be back. Until